right, we're in the main level kitchen. We're gonna show how to run the oven and some of the different options that are here. So first, I'll start by putting the oven in bake mode. I'm gonna hit bake. Now it's gonna ask, or it's gonna want me to put a temperature on, so I'm gonna use these up and down arrows to select a temperature. So if I want 375, I leave it at 375. There's no start button or any additional button to press. You just give it a moment, and now you'll see that we're preheating and we're on oven. Now, I'm going to stop this and show you how to put it in broil. So to turn the oven off, I hit stop. Now the oven is fully off. Now let's say we want to broil something. We're going to start by clicking the broil button. I have a high or a low broil, so I use my up and down arrows again. Up gives me high, down gives me low. If I'm on the mode, if I want to do a low broil, I just, again, don't press anything, just let it sit there for a second, and now we see that our oven is on in a low broil mode. If I want to stop the broil, I hit the stop button. And we have 4 different burners here. For each burner switch, it shows us right front, right rear, left front, right under the control that's being used. You notice this front burner here has a double burner, so you have the option to use the single burner, which is the inner burner, or the outer burner, which is the dual burner. So if I want to use the bigger burner, I would go into dual, this gray shaded area, and turn it on the setting that I want for that burner. If I want to use the single smaller burner, I use the white shaded part of the switch and move it to whatever intensity I'd like the burner to be on. Now all of the rest of the burners here are all single burners, so those will function in the same way. It's just a matter of taking the switch and turning it to the correct setting you'd like for the burner intensity.